If you're struggling to braid a silky hair, say no more. Just grab a seat. Let me show you how you can actually braid a silky hair without no slipping out and no unraveling. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to start a silky hair from the root. And also, I'll be showing you how to hide the natural hair for the natural hair not to show on the braid, because the braid length and the natural hair of my client is actually the same. So if in the future you're planning on booking white clients, then you're going to love this video. Or if you have clients that have silky hair and they complain to you regularly that the hair doesn't last, then you should watch this video. Seriously, it's going to help you. So if you think you like content like this, please do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button, press on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my new upload. So you can clearly see that my client's hair is super long. The hair length and the extension length are actually the same. That's the reason why I started the braid from the bottom, so you guys can see what the length of the braid is and what a natural hair is. It's like almost the same. Now I'm going to plead with you guys. You know how I always beg you guys on my tutorial, pay attention to what I am doing. Just focus your eyes on my hands. I might not be able to talk too much because right now, seriously, I am done with flu, but I have to do this voiceover. That's the reason why that's the reason why I'm actually doing this. So pay attention to how I grip. If you think this is not clear enough, the next braid I'm going to pick, you're going to see it more clearer. So if you notice when I braid from the root, you notice that I'm not actually moving my hands up until I braid a little bit further before I changed my hand to braid it. And what I just did now is to move a natural hair to the back of the braid. If you've been following my tutorials, you already have idea on how I actually hide my natural hair. And please let me know in the comment section if you've seen my tutorial before and if you have idea on how to hide natural hair on braid. And I was actually very lucky to get the color I got. When she mentioned brown, I just knew that color 33 would be the right one, because she sent me a hair color and then she said she would like a brown extension, and this extension goes so well with her natural hair. It looks as if we actually trim a natural hair from the extension, so it went so well. So pay attention to this particular one I'm going to pick right now. Just pay attention to how I place my hand, even if you're not seeing behind what I'm doing. But if you look at the way my hand is being placed, this is what I want you to do. The next one will even be better because I'm going to take it from the other angle. So make sure you braid maybe like 5-6 downward, and then you change your hand. While you are changing your hand, make sure that that's your finger is in between the hair so that it doesn't like lose the tightness, if that makes sense. You just make sure that while you are braiding downward, you're making sure that your middle finger, the index finger, is always there to support the hair, because if you take that out, seriously, it's going to unravel. And the most interesting thing about making a silky hair is from the roots. So I'm going to tell you guys a story. I hope I complete this story before we move to the other braids. This lady, how she get to book with me, where she lived is almost 2 hours away from my location, and she was about to travel and she went to a braider. They braid the hair. By the time she woke up, she found all the braid on her bed, and then she was crying. She called the stylist, and the stylist said she will have to pay again for her to braid the hair. Let me pause so I can talk to you guys through this, and then I'll complete the story for you guys. So just pay attention. This might be a very clearer picture for you guys to see exactly what I am doing. So because it's boss braid, definitely you're going to hold your extension in 3. Cut the hair in 3 with that middle finger I just push out now. And then while I'm doing it, do you see my middle finger is resting right on the braid? Pay attention to my middle finger. Is resting on the braid. I'm not moving it until I change my hand. So you can see I've braided more than 6. And then right now I'm going to change my hand. While I'm changing it, my second finger is in between, because if you lose the braid in any way, it's not going to be tight from the roots anymore. So this is how you basically braid a silky hair for it not to slip or unravel. A lot of white people have this complaint. So all the white clients I have, they have this complaint, and where they find me, whenever they want to braid, they always book my session. So if you have clients that have silky hair and they complain that the hair keep unraveling, use this technique and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. If you're not following me and you're seeing my video for the very first time, please do me a favor by dropping a comment before leaving and give the video a thumbs up, just so we know that you actually like the video, and let me know what you learned from this tutorial. Let me quickly complete the story I was giving you guys. So this lady actually went to a work group, and then she posted there that she wants to make African braid, that if they have any stylists, and then they recommend me, and they said it's over 2 hours from where we were. He said anywhere the person is, provided she can do it and this braid does not unravel, that she can travel. That was how I booked her, and this is like the 3rd time or so that I'm braiding her hair, and she's very happy for me to film it. But by the time we're done, look at this braid. It is very beautiful, very silky. Seriously, the camera did not do justice to this braid. This braid is very beautiful, flawless. So if you want to see how I get to create the coils at the end of the braids, I'll be linking some tutorials I've done previously. Watch it. I have different coil pattern, including boho braids as well. Yeah, that would really help. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section, and I'll be very, very happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.